Here's the actual weight. The stock tires and the wheels weigh 20.6 grams versus the new tires. Welcome to Big Son Hobbies. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome. Here you'll find RC reviews, upgrades and mods, and run videos related to RCs. A big favor before we dive in. Please give a big thumbs up to help with the algorithm. This way other people can better know what's going on. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing. I am really enjoying the TRX4M, but when it comes to crawling, there are a few things that's lacking. Namely the gearing, weight distribution, and tires and wheels for better traction and center of gravity. In my previous video, I changed the gear set to the low-speed crawling gears, which should help with the crawling. Today, I'm going to start the upgrade to improve the weight distribution and center of gravity. Here's my TRX4M Bronco. It has an overall weight of 499.2 grams with 48% front and 52% rear weight distribution with the battery installed. The first upgrade will focus on tires, foams, and the wheels. The stock BF Goodrich tires are 57mm tall or 2.2 inches tall, and they're 1 inch wide, mounted to a 1 inch wheels. I wanted the replacement tires and wheels to be as close to the stock in size, but one that had a good pattern and a softer compound. I decided to go with the INJORA Rock Terrain Crawler tires that is 56mm tall. It's very similar in size, but the tread pattern is more aggressive and it feels much softer with INJORA's S3 compound, which should provide good traction that I'm looking for. As for the foams, I'll be using the INJORA foams on the rear, as it's not too firm nor too soft. For the front, I like to run a bit softer foams, so I'll be using Crawler Innovations Micro Single Stage Soft Foams. They are pretty thick, so I'll be cutting it in half to use it on the front tires. As for the wheels, I'm going to go with the INJORA 1.0 metal Beadlock wheels. They will add a decent weight down low, which is greatly needed on a TRX4M in order to offset the top-heavy body. In addition, I ordered a set of INJORA brass internal beadlock rings, which will be used only on the fronts. The brass beadlock rings weigh 13 grams each, thus adding the nice weight to the front end. Here's the actual weight. The stock tires and the wheels weigh 20.6 grams versus the new tires. The new tires with the brass beadlock rings weigh 33.7 grams, and without the beadlock rings weigh 25.2 grams. Here's the TRX4M, now sporting new set of tires, foams, and wheels. It now has overall weight of 536.2 grams, with 50% front and 50% rear weight distribution. Still much work is needed to get to a weight distribution that I'm looking for, but we just took the first step towards it. Hope you found the information helpful and useful. If you like the contents of this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like and notification bell to be notified when new contents are uploaded. Thanks for watching Big Son Hobbies.